Hi guys, I am Queenie and I am Dean. Today we're gonna open up 3 boxes. Those 2 got like clocks and this one is the surprise. We're gonna open it last. Okay, so my little brother said he wanted to go first, so he will open up these first. Whoa. Ouch, ouch. Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh. It just dropped. Can't see. So light blue. Okay. It's snowing. Okay, put it back inside so it won't break. Okay. So let's see mine. No, I said in the baggie. This one. Okay, now let's see mine. It's light pink. It's like light blue. Okay. Now we're gonna try what do this do? I don't even know how to the clock do. This is the instructions that I don't know what it says. What did it say? Wait, we're gonna tell our dads later. Wait, now we're gonna put it back inside. Come on, put it back inside. So it won't break. Put it inside this place. How do I even put it inside? It can't go inside. Okay, guys, it can't go inside, but that's okay. Let's go leave it here for now. My little brother's just trying to go. Ew, it just go in. Let me try that. Get in. Okay, sis. Okay. Close this. Let me help. You just need to do this. Oh, I just dropped the thing, it didn't break. Wait, this is probably our game turn. Yeah, I know. Okay, now we got this one. They're both inside. Now, who wants to put those blocks in the bin? Not me. Fine, now. Okay, so I will put it in the bin. Okay guys, I put it in the bin now. Now, let's put this here. And then, we're gonna open up the bigger one. I'll open it out. Let's see what is inside. Yes. No, you don't do that. We don't smash it. Rip it. Oh, this is secret thing. Oh, good. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ow. Let's go. Fast. Whoa. What did we just got here? Look, it can spin. What have we just got here? Wait, let's just pretend it's so much stuff. I don't know why there's a stuff here. Looks like a piggy bank for some reason. Because there's that. Yeah. Look, it's so fast as Jupiter. It's not Jupiter. Jupiter's this big. Okay, put it back inside. Great. Now I'm going to show you all of them. So, this is the first one, second one, and this is the third one. The third one looks so cool. Yeah. Super cool. Oh, don't get it out. Don't get it out. How we want the other part? Okay, so now guys, we're gonna end the video here. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye. Okay guys, I'm gonna turn it off.